So, in high school, I had a chemistry teacher, and he really enjoyed blowing shit up. So, one day, and this was one of the first days we were in class, he takes a thing of water and a Bunsen burner, attaches a hose to the Bunsen burner, sticks it in the water with some soap. And so, 5 minutes later, we have this tower of soap bubbles, 6 feet tall, up to the ceiling, right? And then he lights it on fire. Whoosh! It goes off and nearly sets the ceiling panels on fire. I'm really amazed we didn't set off fire alarms. Like, shit like this happened in the class all the time. He had a story another time. He nearly put a substitute teacher in the hospital because they were doing experiments with chemicals and fumes got in the vents and she had an asthma attack. He wasn't allowed to do that anymore. I should have more. And I think he passed some of his fire-loving tendencies on to me. Got bored during an experiment once, filled a sink full of water, and lit a paper towel boat on fire. And instead of doing experiments, it was like, let's light shit on fire. You know, I think I'm shocked. This is less funny than I thought it would be.
We think we got one. Okay.
Okay, I'm going to tell just a real quick story. Like, this was here in the 10th grade. It was like earth science. We were having a normal day. The teacher, I don't remember his name, but he was balding, he was fat, he had glasses.
So then,
yes, he was a normal science teacher. He was in the middle of his lecture, and we're all just sitting there. And then all of a sudden, like this ambulance people like kick down the door, and they have like, you know, one of those beds to sit him on. And then he was just like, well, I'm going to go out with these people, bye. And then he lays down on the ambulance, they strap him up, they put oxygen on him, and they drive away. And we were just like, what's going on? Why did this happen? And then apparently we didn't find out till later that he apparently had a heart attack, but he decided to keep on teaching. I don't know.
It's hard.
Wow. All right.
Well, I just thought that was epic, and that should be shared.
No, I agree.
All right.
Yeah.
I'm ready. I just don't have anything.
Okay.
Does anybody ask their chemistry teacher if they breathe in ether, if they'll regain MP? It doesn't work. You just fall down.
You lie. All right, the next experiment we're going to do is we're going to take this sodium and we're going to put it in that water. But first, I want you to look at it and don't burn now. Roll, roll. Put it out, put it out, put it out. There. Whoosh. All better. There you go. You're good. You're good. Can you do it? You good?
We're paramedics. Which one of you two are we here for?
Oh, me.
Okay. All right, let's go.
I was having a stroke.
Okay, class, let's stay down. I don't want you. For our next experiment, we're going to bring a body back to life, I hope.
All right, and
Stay there.
sit back right down here. All right, so we want to see what happens if we fill him with soap and hydrogen.
There's a hole right there.
Soap up here. Hydrogen down.
All right.
You didn't have to go that far. We did.
Wow, this is the most comfortable bed I have ever lied on.
And
Who
now we
knew?
take a match.
Oh, he's on fire, not me. Never mind!
Oh my god, I bet chemistry's just like potions class in Harry Potter. I can't wait. Son, what are you doing? I'm making potions! No, don't drink that. This tastes like burning!
I don't know.
2 weeks later.
Yes?
Why did Harry Potter always put Snortwaddle in the potions he made?
Well, that's an interesting story. It revolves around acids and bases. But the moral of the story, what?
Last time my daddy told me about acid, he said it gave him bad trips. What did bases do?
That's also a funny story. I knew your dad in Vietnam, and we were well acquainted, if you know what I mean.
Go.
Oh God, I remember going back to the
Yeah.
we're going back to the first show.
What?
So we're going back to nothing.
Keep going.
I can't just keep going.
Q. Are we queuing Vietnam?
I was just about to say, cue Vietnam.
Q Vietnam.
You see that Charlie right there? The one with the shirt?
Sure.
Yeah, okay. Now we're gonna go for the one with the hair and the one with the arms. Alright. And the one that's orange. Or is that purple? Do you see that one?
Hey guys. Miller's over there by the lake. He folded a paper boat. He's gonna light it on fire. Come on, this is gonna be real.
Oh, dude! Dude, that boat wasn't worth half the damn that I thought it would be.
2 people on a paper boat.
This is the bestest boat ever! Not the whales again! No!
Crikey, they're lighting it on fire!
Oh no! I need a raft! Get off my boat! I'll rip this piece off and keep going. I'll never let
Get
go!
out of the way! Go faster! Alright, cut to a History Channel documentary. I need an interviewer. Not you. Him. Sure. And so that was the worst day I ever experienced in Vietnam. It's a tragic story. This isn't going anywhere. Alright, cut to a Band of Brothers remake of it.
I think we're done.
I think we might be. Yeah, I think we're just done.